Hey guys, welcome back again in another beautiful and exciting video, guys. Today I am here to share with you very important topic. In today's video, come close. I will be sharing with you tips on what to do whenever she tell you no. When I mean no in the other side, do you understand? But before I dive into this amazing video, kings, if this is the first time I'm coming across to my channel, you are highly welcome. And for my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos, guys. I really appreciate all your love and your support. Okay, now without wasting much of your time, let's quickly dive into the video. This is a general challenge especially when a woman begins to feel some certain things concerning a man. That is when you will see her giving flimsy excuses like, oh, this thing is happening to me, oh, I'm having back pains, oh, I'm having slight headache, oh, this, oh, that, oh, I'm in the midst of prayers. Forget that thing. I am a woman, so I should be telling you all of these truths comfortably. All right, now whenever your woman begins to give you these excuses, it means that she's no longer interested in you. There is something that is making her not to be interested in you. Okay, now each time she says something like that, all you have to do is to follow this step. Even if she is no longer interested in you, she's no longer having feeling the way you are having feeling, or she's no longer loving you anymore, or she doesn't like you anymore. It means that it's either she is seeing someone else, or that she is fed up of you, or that she just wants to give you a gap. Okay, there's some certain way in which you can use to bring a woman's mindset in this so easily without even you quarreling or even having some kind of dispute. Okay, now whenever you are always experiencing this, whenever she's always giving you complaints every now and I'm not talking about those ones that are that maybe they have not really accepted you fully. There's a difference when the woman accepted you and when she has not accepted. There's a difference where you are actually asking this from a woman that you get married to than a woman that you are just dating. Do you understand? Now, but in general, if she is refusing you of you doing the needful with her, or she's no longer having any feelings with you, do not worry. All you have to do is to follow this simple step. Number one step that you should follow is this. If you are the type that you like wearing your rings to the working place, first of all, drop it at the home. Do as if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, now she might feel that, or she might even pretend. Women will like pretense, right? She might pretend that, oh, she's not seeing what you are doing. Just drop that ring. You dropping that ring does not mean that you have any negative thing or any negative mindset concerning her, or I want to do something else. You understand? It's just for you to get her attention back to yourself. Okay, maybe there's some dude outside who is deceiving her with money or with material things. Who knows? But you wouldn't know because you are not monitoring her phone. You are not monitoring her conversation. But each time you only want to come closer to her, she always gives you this excuse. First of all, if you're the type that always like using your ring to your working place, first of all, drop it for at least 1 week. Do not wear it. Okay, that is number one tips. This will bring her mind, bring her attention. She'll start noticing this, even though she may not have the courage to approach you. Why are you not wearing your ring for the past one week, right? I'm talking about for 1 week only. Okay, that is number one. Number two, make sure that you are always shopping for yourself. When I mean shopping for yourself, now for those of you who don't know how to dress properly, you might be chasing your woman outside. You might be throwing her feelings outside. Women move by what they say. And the thing that attracts women to guys mostly is what? Neatness. Now, If she is not giving you that attention, first of all, invest in your words, in whatever you put on your body. Invest in your body. What do I mean by invest in your body? Go and get yourself some nice looking blue jean, okay? Yes, jean trousers. You can get as much as you can, as much as you have in your pockets, like the money you have, okay? Get yourself some salzy, polo, some good polo, like some polos that look very good on you, okay? There's some good polo that actually look good on every size of the body that all men can even wear. So get it by yourself. Now, look for a good perfume. When I mean perfume, okay? Go get yourself a very good, body cream. Now, when you come back to your house, you don't have to talk to her, okay? You don't have to quarrel with her. That's what I mean by not talking to her. You don't have to quarrel her. Just freestyle yourself. Just live freely as if nothing is happening, as if it's not bothering you. So anytime you are going outside, anytime you are going to work or wherever you are going, make sure that you do what you bath thoroughly, wear your perfume, rub a nice glowing body cream, comb your hair, look nice, and then wear those your new clothes. I am giving you a tip that will help you to bring her mindset back from where it is going. I am a woman, I should be telling you the truth though. Now, dress clean. Look for a good palm sandals, okay? And then if you are not the type of pedicure, please always make sure that you cut your nail. Treat yourself properly. You understand? When you are buying all of those things for yourself, you don't need to show her. You don't need to begin to share, oh baby, I got this for myself. Oh, what do you think? Oh, it is okay. I got it from Amazon. I got it from this. I got it from that. No, when you buy those things, just buy it, take it as a surprise. Just keep it in your wardrobe. Whenever you want to go out, dress good, wear those things, and then go out. And make sure that if you are going out, make sure that she is in the house. Do you understand? Even if it warrants you to go out early in the morning before her, dress cutely, and then go out. Wear your good nice perfume. Like some nice perfume that you will wear, oh my god, she cannot resist you. There's one perfume that's called seduction. You cannot resist it. She cannot resist you. So when you do this, when you continue doing this for at least 2 weeks, when you continue changing, whenever you go out, you go without even telling her. You just go. Maybe if you must tell her, just say that you want to go and see a friend. So just say, I want to go and see a friend. She'll be like, what is the friend that he's going to go and see dressed like this? That is what will be ringing bell in her mind. Do you understand? Now, by the time you completed this for at least 1 week, let me tell you the next thing that will happen. She will be the one to come to your bed to meet you and request for what? For knacking, just to make sure, just to check if your mind is still with her or if you are seeing someone else. Now, if you want to close it, if you really want to maybe make her to start, asking you some funny question. When she's requesting for this, you tell her, oh, that you are not in the mood. Guys, when you do this, you have scattered her. You have finally scattered her. But if you really want to have mercy on her, whenever this thing is happening and she comes closer and begin to request for knacking, you just take your shots. Do you understand? Take it, and then and trust me, if you continue dressing that way, in fact, she can never again in her life, because you know that yes, women out there will definitely see him, will definitely see you. You understand? And trust me, what attracts women to guys is neatness. For about handsomeness, neatness mostly. When a guy appears so neat, clean, sparkling, smells good, with a good haircut, shave your beards properly, maturely, and then you do your pedicure, trust me, there is no woman that will not say no when such a guy appears to her. Okay? And in that way, She will not even take it for granted. She will not joke. Anything you say you wanna do with her, that is what she will, agree to do with you in return. Okay, so that is the simple way in which you can use to bring her mindset, in which you can use to attract her feeling back to you. For those of you who are experiencing this, like, oh no, I'm not in the mood. Oh no, this is happening. Oh no, I have an appointment. Are you the only one having an appointment? As a matter of fact, those women who are doing this, I see them as people who are not wise at all. If you are wise, you should know that the number of women in this world is more than men. So any man that you hold, any responsible man, I wouldn't say any man because it's not all the men that are responsible. Any responsible and caring man that you have, you shouldn't be joking with that man. You shouldn't be turning his request down, especially on that area. Do you understand? Because body not be firewood. Okay, so guys, that is just the end of this video. As you are watching this video, like this video, share it, and also leave your comment under the comment section. If you haven't purchased for my Odogu Herbal Mixture for stronger joystick, for bigger joystick, if you're having health challenge such as diabetes, high BP, post-straight, long untreated infection, pile, guys, these are the things that can lead your erectile function into a place of no return if it is not well treated. Okay, so if you are having any of this and you are witnessing or you are experiencing weak erection or weak ejaculation, please, all you have to do is to send me a WhatsApp message, okay, on this number +234 90 5982 5779 +234 90 5982 5779. Guys, I am active on WhatsApp. Please do not come to my WhatsApp asking me the question. YouTube have provided a space for you to ask question, and that is a place you're supposed to ask your question and not coming to my DM. Okay, so my WhatsApp is strictly for business, people who want to purchase, people who are serious in purchasing, and people who have already purchased, okay, for proper direction on how to use. So guys, that is just the end of the video for today. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate all your love. See you on my next episode. They have a wonderful and lovely day. I love you all. Remember, bye.